riding a 2019 Can-Am Ryker Rally. These things are fun. I put on the silver turbo tunable exhaust, which I have both baffles on right now. I haven't taken any off. The more miles I put on it, the nicer it sounds, in my opinion. I might take one baffle off later on, but I like the sound now. It sounds nice. Breaking it really nice. I live in Bloomfield, New Jersey. Take a ride down to where I used to live, where I grew up at. Kind of show you guys around. I grew up in Paterson, New Jersey. Trying to make the move out to Port St. Lucie, Florida. Hopefully that happens in the next month or two. I've been in New Jersey my whole life. Trying to get a different scenery out here. The ride's nice. It looks good. I bought it used with under 2,000 miles on it. Hasn't disappointed. This thing here in the throttle, if you're riding without it, it's like a throttle assist for your wrist. Best thing ever, especially for when you first get it, you have no control over the throttle. Helps a lot. I think it was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Get it. I recommend it 100%. You're gonna love it. Best 10 bucks I ever spent. My wrist was always killing me. I was always jerking the bike around. Now I do it, but I mean to jerk the bike around a little bit. I'm always playing with the throttle. I get off the brake so I won't go on limp mode. I did the extended brake on it. I felt like my foot was too wide. I kept putting it into the left, so I extended it. I put the bigger one. Works out better. I get off the brake a lot. Put some tough skin on it. Otherwise, I've been pretty much just enjoying the bike. I'm gonna take the local roads down. You can see this is where I live at, and I've been here for over 10 years now. The neighborhood here is nice. A lot nicer than where I grew up at, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Enjoy the ride and ride it down. I haven't changed the sway bar on the bike yet. I did the end links, spider end links, and I saw a video that I had put on. I think his name is Jose Torres. If you like search it on YouTube, showed how to adjust the front suspension. So I kind of took that. I'll probably make a video on it. Gotta jack up the bike a little bit. Both hands to just kind of like do each side separately. I should jack up the bike on each side, and I brought it down to 4. It feels a lot steadier. I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep riding it, put a couple hundred more miles on it, see how I feel. Maybe I might do the sway bar. Just kind of been holding off on it. It's like a little under 200 bucks just for the sway bar. I feel like I bought the bike and other was putting money into it, so I want to ride it for the summer. So far it feels better. It feels real steady on the road now. I still miss the feeling of having like a gear, so it's been something to get used to, going from 2 wheels to this.